But I got something that can help us. You may be asking, what might that be, gamer? Come on, get up there. So first, we're gonna get this button because, yeah. Why not, man? We gotta get that button there, it's screwed. We're dead, man. Come on. Oh, finally, I did it. Oh no, please, man. Please, man, have mercy. Oh, yeah. Alright, here's what I got. If you saw it, I saved it for a very special occasion. Oh, yeah! Get back here, man. And die. Just die already, man. Sheesh. Okay. Please, come on. Just die already. Die. Come on. Close! But no dice. Of course. Boy! Man, I really thought that was my good ticket, but I guess it wasn't. I guess, either way, I'm still screwed over at the final part, man! At least the Rhino gave me a good start. Oh, crap. Come on. Yeah!
Ratchet? What's up?
Oh, button, man! We're gonna do it!
You know, this time I am thinking what you're thinking.
German Dreck, you're going down, man. After all these weeks of recording, it's finally gonna end. In 3, 2, 1!
This can't be good.
Pretty close screenshot, eh, Clank?
Phew, that was close. Clank, you can pull us up now.
The servos in my arms appear to be broken.
Broken? As in, fall to our deaths broken?
Yes.
Ah! No, we're screwed! Oh, thanks for using the Rocket Pack for once and looking like Rocket Pack, Clank.
Thanks.
My arm appears to
Ouch.
be badly damaged.
You'll be alright.
Sorry.
Hey, Tin Can! Where do you think you're going? We, still need to fix that arm.
And so ends another adventure of Devin the Gamer! Now, a word from our sponsor.
Do you have a problem with unwanted hair? Is painful itching in your nether regions causing you undue embarrassment?
Yeah!
Do you just plain stink?
Yeah!
Then you need this, the Gatatron Personal Hygienator. Hi, I'm Steve McQuark, and this little baby can take care of any grooming needs that are just too much trouble for you to handle yourself. Allow me to demonstrate.
Wow, that looks very nice, guys. Oh! Yeah,
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Yeah, wow. That's nice. Hey, Robot Lady.
Congratulations. Now that Chairman Dreck's account has been closed, you're Gadgetron's most valued customer. We've got new items available for you. Just check the new goodies menu on your pause screen.
Well, I guess I'm not really gonna do a...
You can start a new game with all of your current weapons and bolts. You can also go back to your last save. Go ahead and pick one.
Well, I don't really, yeah, I don't really, care for, you know, going to hero modes. I hear you, I'm going. Alright, see you guys in the next Let's Play, and, I'm out. Peace.